Crispy roasted chickpeas with seasonings. Ingredients: 1 can, 15 ounces, chickpeas, garbanzo beans, drained and rinsed. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1/2 teaspoon cumin. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt, adjust to taste. Optional, pinch of cayenne pepper or chili powder for a spicy kick. Step 1: Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Step 2: Place the drained and rinsed chickpeas on a clean kitchen towel or paper towels. Gently pat them dry to remove excess moisture. Step 3: In a bowl, toss the chickpeas with olive oil, paprika, cumin, garlic powder, salt, and any optional spices you desire. Make sure the chickpeas are evenly coated with the seasonings. Step 4: Spread the seasoned chickpeas in a single layer on the prepared baking sheet. Step 5: Roast in the preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the chickpeas are crispy and golden brown. Shake the baking sheet or stir the chickpeas once or twice during cooking to ensure even browning. Step 6: Remove from the oven and let the chickpeas cool for a few minutes before enjoying.